Crypto hype train crashing? Don't panic! These 25 projects are about to explode. Hey there, crypto fam! Andrew here, your friendly neighborhood crypto expert, back with another juicy dose of crypto news, served with a side of snark. Let's dive right in! You know, we all love a good hype train, but this bull cycle seems to be taking a turn. It's getting increasingly obvious that many of these hot tokens, the ones with billion-dollar fully diluted valuations, well, they might have already hit their peak. VCS, those big money guys, already got their slice of the pie when they signed their token warrant deals. It's like they're throwing us a few scraps while holding on to the biggest portion. This disillusionment, this feeling of getting played, has pushed the meme coin craze into overdrive. Let's face it, meme coins are like the party trick of the crypto world. They entertain us for a while, but their value is as fleeting as the latest internet trend. At least they don't have a secret stash of tokens waiting to be dumped on the market, leaving us holding the bag. But hold your horses! There's a shift happening. We're seeing a renewed interest in older revenue-generating protocols. These are the projects that have already earned their stripes, the ones with a history of generating real value. And you know what else? They have most of their tokens already out there in circulation, so no hidden supply shenanigans. Some folks believe this shift is partly fueled by institutional investors, those big players who are finally stepping into the crypto game. They're looking for projects with a solid foundation, not just a catchy name and fancy marketing. But hey, we're crypto enthusiasts, right? We love a good underdog story. So let's take a closer look at some of these hidden gems, these projects with real fundamentals. Investing and earning money together with successful crypto traders. Copy trades and earn money. Click the link in the video description to get started. Let's start with the protocols that are generating revenue and have most of their tokens unlocked. Think of it as a double whammy. They're making money and they're transparent about their token supply. First up, we have Lido. It's the largest liquid staking provider, controlling a whopping 29% of the market share. They're a big player in the Ethereum staking ecosystem, generating a cool $91 million in revenue last year. And get this, all their tokens are unlocked, with 89% already in circulation. They're not hiding anything, folks. Lido's market share may have taken a dip this year, but they're back in the game with their Lido Alliance. They're pushing Steth, their liquid staking token, as the standard for restaking. It's a smart move. If you're looking for a solid project in the staking space, Lido's worth your attention. Next up, we have the OG MakerDAO. Established way back in 2014, Maker is the lending protocol and the brains behind the decentralized stablecoin, DAI. They've earned a hefty $271 million in revenue last year, and over 92% of their supply is unlocked and in circulation. What's interesting about Maker is their push into real-world assets, RUS. They've opened vaults for minting DAI against US Treasuries, and they're investing in us. Treasuries and corporate bonds. This strategy has paid off handsomely, generating a significant portion of their revenue. And guess what? They're going even further with the Spark Tokenization Grand Prix, a competition to invest $1 billion in tokenized us. Treasury products, BlackRock, Securitize, and Ondo are all interested in participating, so this could be a game changer for Maker. Then we have Aave, the reigning king of decentralized lending. Over the past year, Aave has raked in $55 million in revenue, and over 91% of their tokens are unlocked, with 93% in circulation. They're not just big, they're also influential. Aave's codebase powers 75% of all DeFi lending protocols, so their influence extends far beyond their own project. Aave has big plans for the future. They're building AAV4, which will feature a unified cross-chain liquidity layer. This will allow borrowers to access liquidity across all supported networks, making Aave a truly cross-chain protocol. They're also launching the AAV network chain, a hub for the protocol, and their stablecoin, GO. They're constantly innovating, which is why they're a force to be reckoned with. Now, let's talk about the protocols that are generating revenue but may not have all their tokens unlocked. These are projects that are carving out their own niche, bringing something unique to the table. Jito is one of those projects. It's a liquid staking protocol with MEV-boosted rewards, and they've captured nearly half of the Solana LST market share. They've earned $176 million in revenue over the past year. Athena is another project that's making waves. It's an Ethereum-based protocol behind the Delta Hedge stablecoin USD. They launched at the end of February this year, and they've already generated $92.7 million in revenue. That's impressive for a young project. Aerodrome, launched by the Velodrome team, is the top DEX on base. They've earned $90.7 million in revenue over the past year, riding the wave of the L2's success. DYDX, operating on its own chain, is a non-custodial trading and derivatives protocol. They've generated $55 million in revenue over the past year. PancakeSwap, the go-to DEX on BSC, has yielded $50.7 million in revenue over the past year. Uniswap, the EVM's largest and most popular DEX deployed across 11 chains, has generated roughly $42 million in the past year. BananaGun, a Telegram trading bot available on Ethereum Base and Solana, made $34.7 million in revenue last year. Curve Finance, despite its recent hiccups, has brought in $29 million in revenue within the past year. Velodrome, a DEX operating primarily on Optimism, has raked in $29.8 million in revenue over the past year. GMX, the most popular perps DEX on Arbitrum and Avalanche, netted $32 million in revenue over the past year. Now, let's shift our focus to the protocols that have most of their supply unlocked. These projects have completed their token vesting schedules, so there's no hidden supply to worry about. Injective, a Cosmos-based L1 for DeFi, has 100% of its supply unlocked and 97% in circulation. LooksRare, the anonymous NFT marketplace known for rewarding active users with looks and weth, is 100% unlocked with 99.5% in circulation. Synthetix, founded in 2017, is a decentralized derivatives exchange protocol on Ethereum. They recently ended inflation and switched to a deflationary model with buybacks and burns. Their token is 100% unlocked, with 99.8% in circulation. Mask Network, a browser extension focused on bridging Web 2 and Web 3, has its token 100% unlocked with 100% in circulation. Kujira, a Terra collapse survivor, spun out into its own Cosmos-based L1. They have 100% of their supply unlocked with 99% in circulation. Polygon, one of the first EEHL2s, has a suite for scaling Ethereum and is 100% unlocked with 92.8% of its tokens circulating. Yearn, a product of 2020's DeFi Summer, is a decentralized suite of yield products with 99.9% of its token unlocked with 91% in circulation. Cartesian, app-specific rollup protocol that uses a virtual machine running Linux, is 93% unlocked with 82% in circulation. 1inch, a leading EVM DEX aggregator, has 86% of its token unlocked with 82.6% in circulation. Liquidity, a decentralized borrowing protocol with 0% interest loans against EEH collateral, has 97% of its supply unlocked with 96.3% in circulation. This renewed focus on fundamentals, on projects with real revenue and transparent token supply, could be a sign of maturity in the crypto industry. Institutional investors, with their traditional valuation processes, are starting to see the value in these projects. And let's face it, this bull run won't last forever. The projects that can weather the storm, the ones with solid fundamentals, will be the ones that survive and thrive. So, there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of some of the projects that are catching the eye of fundamental-focused investors. Keep an eye out for these protocols, because they might just be the hidden gems of this bull run. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested, and remember, a little snark goes a long way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you next time!